fun to drive. And I think it definitely is. So hello everybody and welcome to Them Fast. Today we have a McLaren 600LT, and in the front you can see we have a Aventador, a Lamborghini Aventador, and we have some other vehicles as well, because we are bringing this particular car and the cars in front to the jaarbeurs in Utrecht. This car has a start-stop system. Okay, interesting. Yeah, so this is a 600LT. This is a POV drive of this car. In a bit we will be on the highway, on the motorway. You'll see it in a bit, and you guys enjoy this video and let us know what you think of this type of car, and if you want to see more videos of these type of cars, some cars like in the front, or which you want to see, which you see further in the POV, let us know. If you want to see that type of cars. So enjoy for now, and yeah, with no further ado, let's go. In terms of the interior of this car has a Alcantara interior, and as you can see, the whole car is laden with Alcantara leather. You can see it in the doors, you can see it on the steering wheel, you can see it on the dashboard, and it's all very, very nice. I think this car, for me, is one of the most nice interiors, because I love simplicity, and I also love the minimalistic type of style McLaren uses in his cars. So it's really, really cool. We have a special sound system that's on both sides, and we have a lot of carbon fiber in this car. It's dry carbon fiber, so it has a matte finish. You can see it over here. It's used here and in the other door as well. And in the seats, the carbon seats. These seats are from the McLaren SENNA, and these seats are, for me, they're really comfortable because I'm not that big. I am 1 meter and 75 centimeters. So I'm not very long, and they fit pretty well. But I can imagine if you are a lot bigger than me, of course, then it will be a lot more difficult to fit in this car and also fit in these seats. So keep that in mind if you want to buy something like this. the sound, this car is 100% stock, so the engine doesn't has a tune, and the exhaust is stock as well. And if you want to hear it, it sounds a bit like this. So that is the sound of this car, and if you drive it long enough, then it will spit flames, and that's pretty cool as well, because you can see it probably in your rear view mirror. So that's really cool. So the weather has cleared up, it's a little bit more dry, we're still on the way in the POV drive, of course. It's so cool to drive with a few different cars in the same category of cars. Let's see if it has a little power and it's a little fun to drive. And I think it definitely is. It's so cool to drive this car. It feels so good, feels so, yeah, so low, so grippy, so good. Yeah, it's really like a race car, and it's all designed like this. I talked about it in the RS3 video. If you didn't see it, click up there. It was also a really cool car and nice to drive too. I will bring down the mirror of the window, the back window, and you can hear a little bit more from the exhaust of this McLaren 600LT. At the group. We're now in the 600LT, and next to us, these are the cars from Absolut Motors. They are bringing the cars to Utrecht as well. It's pretty nice to see. It's all loaded on a trailer. And I'm losing the group, but it's okay because I wanted to show you the cars from Absolut Motors. Really cool to see what they are bringing to Utrecht Day One World of Cars. Okay guys, that was it for now. This was the POV drive of this McLaren 600LT. If you want to see more of these type of cars, let us know in the comments down below, and also leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of our content. So guys, thanks for watching to this video, and see you guys in our next one. Ciao!